So in this episode, we're going to be ripping out 5 overgrown azaleas and then turning it into a huge flower bed for zinnias and sunflowers. Hey, so believe it or not, trying to save some money, I went through and was trying to pull out all of the Bermuda grass out of the dirt and then put the dirt back. And if you know anything about Bermuda grass, that's basically impossible. But we gave it a shot. Then I got smart and was like, hey, I've got these other holes down here at the end from the very end azalea that we pulled out. I decided to dig out where the grass was, and you can see there I'm piling it up. And so I'm going to try and basically plug that last hole with these patches of grass. Hey, in today's matchup, we got black velvet mushroom compost versus black cow manure compost. Black cow manure is 100% composted cow manure. It actually doesn't smell at all. Black velvet is a mushroom compost. So it's a mix of mushrooms, horse manure, and straw. The benefit of it is there's extra microbial activity. So there's different microbes and activity in the black velvet versus the black cow. All right, so which do you think is the black velvet and which do you think is the black cow? There's virtually no difference. The only difference that I've been able to tell is that the black velvet mushroom compost has a little bit stronger smell than the black cow. It has virtually no smell. All right, so it's been quite a process. It's taken over 3 weeks to get this bed dug, mainly one because of rain. We've just had non-stop rain, it seemed like. At least once a day, we've had some kind of a big rainstorm come through. Haven't gone more than 2 days without rain at all. And so it's taken a long time to get out here. I've tried to get out when I can. If it rained in the morning, I'll get in the afternoon, that kind of thing. The rain helped a little bit digging. It was a huge bed just to dig. And honestly, I want to dig some more over on this other side over here. So I may save some seeds. Well, let's look again. Zinnias and sunflowers is what I'm wanting to put in this bed. I've top dressed it, kind of mixed in with some black cow and black velvet. As I talked about on the far end, we've got the black velvet. On this end, we got the black cow. All right, really quick, we've got Pro Cut White Night, branching sunflower, Summer Lovin', Summer Breeze mix of branching sunflowers, and then a huge pack, 5,000 pack of the Bennery's Giant Zinnia mix. So this will be the latest that I've planted these zinnias, but hopefully this huge bed, we can just have tons of them, and then on one side and on the other side have all sunflowers. So let's get to it. Hey, so now I've put out all of the zinnias, the sunflowers, found a few other seeds, a little bit of gomphrena, and then some more basil, the rest of my basil, and I kind of threw it out towards that end down there. So I'm going to now take some more black cow on this end and then the black velvet on that end and kind of just sprinkle over the top of them for at least the zinnias and the sunflowers to kind of help hold them in place. Then we'll water it all in. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and share. For more videos like this, check out these on the screen.